We are actually in Payee, Indiana, up near Goshen, Indiana, and we decided to have our sleeper sofa replaced with a cabinet and fireplace and some extra storage area. So what Mr. Nathan is doing is we noticed that our TV was off track. So he is removing the panel so that he can get to the undercarriage of the TV. Do I need to hold something and help you?
I hear you. Just trying to see where this thing is now. Let's see.
Nathan is the jack of all trades and master of everything.
Okay, let it down just a little bit.
Okay, now he really is trying to put me to work. Can't hold the camera and the panel.
Smash it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay.
That whole platform looks a little off.
Trying to see, is it the platform? Is it the TV?
Huh?
Trying to see, is it the platform? Is it the TV?
The little.
Is this in the wrong place?
We just not noticing that. Is cricket?
Yeah, that don't look right. Let's see what it is.
This little area will look brand new tomorrow with something different. A whole new piece of furniture. I need more cabinet space. We don't even use that sleeper sofa. Nobody's in the coach but Nathan and myself, so we decided to eliminate the sleeper sofa. The weather is freezing cold up here. They have snow everywhere, but luckily it's not on the street, so safe travels for us coming up here, and I'm sure that the Lord will take us back safely as well.
There's nothing wrong with that, so it's not that. What's this?
And those are the curtains that we put up. I love them because it keeps the heat in the cockpit, and it just adds a little extra privacy at night.
Come on over there. I see what's going on in this room. So everything is come on over there.
Come up with it.
Yeah. Come on. I'll hold it right there for a second.
Or they have it in the wrong bracket or something. We have a mess in here. Stuff is everywhere, but
They got this just this little piece of board and nothing behind it. Just
Oh,
a
Dad.
board. See, it's a board. Look, it ain't nothing here. So how can that be? Look at that. There's not a support there to support the TV. This is why I came loose. You got a board there, but you don't have anything here. Wow. Alrighty then. Okay, raise it up a little bit. Come on. All the way. Okay, lay it down. Just let me see something.
let it down. This is the newest piece of furniture we just added to the coach. We had a sleeper sofa, and we had that removed and put in this cabinet with this huge counter. A lot more working space when I want to cook or do some things that require additional space to put things, along with a fireplace and the cabinets at the bottom. So it gives us a lot more storage space, and we needed a lot more storage space. And actually gave us even more room to walk through the coach. Instead of us turning to the side, now we can just walk straight back when the sides are in. And when it's open, no problem. But when the sides are closed, gives us easy entry to the back of the coach.